Okay, it's time for our math lesson. Today we are looking at numbers and we're going to count out a group of objects to match those numbers. Let me share my screen. Okay, and so it says I can look at a numeral and count out a group of objects to match. So first we're going to start by getting out your piano. It's okay if you have one with the numbers or one without, it's fine. Remember that you're going to put your pinky, let me show you mine. You're going to put your pinky here and we're going to play out some numbers. So let's start. Let's do this number. What number is it? 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's do this one. What number is that? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's try another one. What number is that? 2. 1, 2. All right, let's go back. Okay, so for this part, we're going to use those hopscotch numbers, and we are going to, I'm going to show you some slides of some different things, and you just need to have your numbers to match them. So you're going to count it. So for example, if I was doing this, I just see one caterpillar. So you're going to find in your hopscotch numbers that I asked you to bring, you're going to go like this. 1. Okay, let me go back. So look at this one. We're going to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to find your number, 4. Okay, go to the next one. So you're going to count it. We're going to count the rainbows. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to find that number and you're going to match it. Let's do this one. Here's some cats. Let's count them. 1, 2. So find your matching number. Here's this one. We have some airplanes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're going to find your matching number. Okay, so on this part, we're going to have, and you don't need 6, you only really need 5 for this lesson. So we're going to use our popsicle sticks that you had from the last lesson. So you should have 5 of those. We're going to use these in a minute. So let me go back. Okay, it says that we're going to be cooking sausages at Sam's Sausage Shack. There are 3 hungry people. So how many sausages do we need to have for each person to have one? So what we're going to do is we're going to lay out with your popsicle sticks. If you have 3 hungry people, you need 1, 2, 3 sausages. So there's 3 in the finger. So this time we have 4 hungry people. Let's lay out our sausages for 4 hungry people. So we're going to lay them out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now there's just 1 hungry person. How many does Sam need to cook for everybody to have 1? Let's lay down exactly the number of sausages that we need to have. Just 1. Okay, this time there's 5 hungry people. How many sausages does Sam need to cook? So everybody has 1. If there's 5 hungry people, we're going to lay them out just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now there's 2 hungry people. Can you lay out your 2 sausages so everybody can have 1? So you should have laid out 1, 2. All right, so on this part, what we're going to do is you have your number cards and you have your, here, let me stop sharing so we can, you have your hopscotch numbers and you have your cotton balls. We're going to pretend like, and you can do this at home, you can have somebody call out some numbers or show you a number, and then you're going to match it, like pretend like these are orders for ice cubes. Okay, so here's your ice cubes and here's your numbers. So I'm going to show you some numbers and we are going to make some orders. So we're going to start with this number. What number is it? 4. So then you're going to lay out that many ice cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try another one. How about this number? What number is it? 2. So we're going to lay out 1, 2. How about this number? What number is it? It's number 5. So you're going to lay out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ice cubes. Okay, so looking at this number, if I want to make a group of this many, how many popsicle sticks would I put in my group? So lay out that many popsicle sticks. I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now look at this. I have so look at all these things I have right here. Which of these tells how many cubes I have? Does this tell me how many cubes I have here? Yes. Does this tell how many cubes I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. How about these? Does this tell me how many cubes I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome job. So we practice looking at numbers and counting out a group of objects to match those numbers.